Number 161 Charlie Sierra, use caution around the Cessna, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, westbound approved.
Clear for takeoff, 18 left, westbound approved, 161 Charlie Sierra.
Number 4 Hotel Whiskey, Stationair is going to go around, you just hold your position.
Hold position for us, we'll be ready in a minute.
Good morning, St. Pete Tower, light sport 77 Echo Victor, 7 to the west at 1,300 with Papa.
Number 77 Echo Victor, St. Pete Tower, roger, and say intentions.
7 Echo Victor would like to come in for pattern work.
Number 77 Echo Victor, squawk 0130.
0130 for 7 Echo Victor.
Tower 4, Hotel Whiskey, ready to go, 18 left.
Speed live, pressure good.
Number 714 Hotel Whiskey, traffic, Stationair. Departing runway 18 left will be westbound. Runway 18 left, cleared for takeoff, westbound approved.
Clear for takeoff, westbound approved for Hotel Whiskey.
Number 77 Echo Victor, St. Pete Tower, enter the right base, runway 18 left.
Right base, 18 left, 7 Echo Victor.
And Tower Legion 846, ready in sequence, 18 left.
Legion 846, St. Pete Tower, hold short, runway 18 left. We'll get you going momentarily.
Hold short, 18 left, Legion 846.
Legion 846, runway 18 left, line up and wait. Traffic to Seminole on a left base for runway 18 left.
Legion 846, line up and wait, 18 left.
Cruising down the highway doing 155, feeling mighty good that I'm still alive. Took a beating down in Italy and nearly died in Rome. Now the sun is shining on me and the highway is my home. It's some things that I ain't proud of and some things I have to do to keep myself from cracking up and see myself through. It's a hard life I'm living and I'm living my fill. If the diesel don't get me, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. I could have stayed at home and got a damn good job as a suicide broker, get another fat slide. Gypsy bed's been burning inside of me. It's never satisfied with that drudgery. Just one more show, another broken guitar. I got no time to be a rock and roll star. This fever's getting hot, I get, I'm feeling the chill. If the diesel don't get you, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. Well, I love it and I hate it and I wanna go home. Somebody's gonna get it if they're looking at me wrong. I'm a mixed up, messed up and ready to kill. If the diesel don't get you, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will.
Number 1 Charlie Sierra, your number 2, following experimental traffic on a midfield left downwind for runway 9er. Runway 9er cleared to land. Wind 11088.
161 Charlie Sierra, number 2 will be looking for the traffic.
Tell me what you're doing, what guitar you play. When the shit you're making falls apart anyway. No respect for your opinion, cause you don't know jack. You get 20% and the shirt off my back. This living's like a prison with no walls, just bars. Ain't got no mind to be a rock and roll star. This fever's getting hotter and I'm feeling the chill. If the diesel don't get me, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will.
Number 161 Charlie Sierra, you park at the landings, correct?
Signature.
Oh, you're at Signature, I'm sorry. To make a right turn on Alpha if you're able, and then contact ground point 9er.
Right on Alpha, contact ground. 161 Charlie Sierra.
Cruising down the highway doing 155, feeling mighty good there. I'm still alive. Took a beating down in Italy and nearly died in Rome. Now the sun is shining on me and the highway is my home. It's some things that I ain't proud of and some things I have to do to keep myself from cracking up and see myself through. It's a hard life I'm living and I'm living my fill. If the diesel don't get me, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. I could have stayed at home and got a damn good job as a suicide broker, just another fat slide. Gypsy that's been burning inside of me. Was never satisfied with that drudgery. Just one more show, another broken guitar. I got no time to be a rock and roll star. This fever's getting hotter and I'm feeling the chill. If the diesel don't get you, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will. Well, I love it and I hate it and I wanna go home. Somebody's gonna get it if they're looking me wrong. I'm a mixed up, messed up and ready to kill. If the diesel don't get you, then the jet fuel will. Then the jet fuel will.